Vijayashree?
Actually, no, in the month of February, I was diagnosed of pulmonary artery tension. Pressure. It
Mhm.
was very high of 90. 90 is considered to be very high.
Yes.
And I was really panicked, like, no, then I thought this is not the way to tackle this. And then I'm really thankful that I got to know about your this thing and immediately I joined. And really, doctor also is really surprised to see my pressure coming down from 90 to on Thursday it was 58. And it's something right now it's not possible in medical history. That's what I was told. And really I'm thankful to you, sir, because even my way of thinking when I speak also I used to speak fast. Now everybody says why you calm down so much, and I think very slowly, and it's not that I've become lazy or something, but really improved a lot the way I think, look at the things, and drastic improvement. I'm always thankful and grateful to you, sir. And I think everybody should know about this pulmonary artery, which is not curable through the medicines.
Hmm.
But this has happened. It's a miracle within 2-3 weeks, like coming down from where 90 to 58 is something really. 40 is supposed to be a normal.
Yeah.
40 pressure is normal. Now another 18, I'm sure I will do it.
Hmm.
Keep
Wow.
practicing, and then I will definitely do it, sir. Though I have not submitted any assignments, but I know I have practiced religiously and seriously. I've done it. I've done it. And
That's.
one more thing, I never used to eat fruits
Hmm.
because I'm allergic to certain fruits. So I stopped eating banana, everything. If I eat banana, I used to get cold. But now I'm eating, I'm not getting it.
Wow.
I don't know if it is summer or something, but I've not got it.
Wow. That's awesome.
Really. At least 2-3 fruits I'm eating daily now.
Hmm.
Good.
Thank you. Thank
And
you.
I have my dinner before 7:30.
Hmm.
That is there from the beginning, but now I'm doing it more seriously.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm, hmm. Awesome.
Thanks a lot, sir. And one more thing, my BP was also normal. It
Wow.
used to be 150 by 90, 95. Now from last 3 weeks, I'm almost once in 2 days I'm checking it. It's about 135 to 80, 85. It's
Wow.
all because of you, sir. Really thankful to you. Thankful.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Vijayashree ji,
I'm
for
thankful
sharing
to
this
you.
awesome.
And I'm sure I will practice this throughout my life now.
You should. You should. Like, I think your
Yes,
family is
yes,
also
definitely.
happy.
Because there's something which I was absolutely a normal person except for the thyroid, and thyroid I have not checked. Hope that also would have come down.
Hmm. Surely.
I'm
Please
really
check and let
thankful.
us know. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure, definitely, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you so much
Thank
for
you.
implementing, and it
Thank
was
you.
such an inspiring
I'm grateful.
journey.
I'm grateful to you.
Thank you. Thank you. I
Thank
hope
you.
your family is happy now.
Yes, sir, my husband is very happy because when pulmonologist and cardiologist said this pressure is high 90, I panicked, but no, I took it like seriously. I thought, okay, let me do something.
Thank you. Thank you
Even
so much.
though no doctors have not. Then later on, no, now doctor is saying, "Amma, please continue.
Yeah. Yeah.
Please continue the breathing." The cardiologist, I was scared actually, what to
Mhm.
do, what not to do.
Yes.
But
Yes.
now I'm comfortable. He's asked me to do all the breathing exercise, no problem. Only thing is that I cannot sit down.
Hmm.
I'm sitting on the sofa and doing it.
Perfect. Perfect. Nice.
Very thankful, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so much, Vijayashree.
you so much.
Everyone type MPTY and congratulations to Vijayashree for that awesome results. That's not easy, dear friends. Everyone, please unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself and say more power to Vijayashree ji. And I want to see more and more results from Vijayashree.
Yes,
More
congratulations.
power
More
to
power
you. More
to
power
More
to
power to
Madam,
Vijayashree
more
ji.
Vijayashree
power
ma'am.
for good health.
More power to ma'am.
More
Thank you.
power
More
to
power to
Vijayashree.
Vijayashree.
Power to ma'am.
More
More
power to
power to
Thank you,
ma'am.
all.
Congratulations.
ma'am.
More
More
power
Vijayashree
to
power to
ma'am.
ma'am.
More
ma'am.
power to you ma'am.
Thank you
More
all.
power to
Thank
you
you.
More
ma'am.
power